Good morning. You're not imagining it, that feeling that your old laptop holds you back, it's real, and it's the reason you're listening to this right now. The HP 2026 17-inch laptop was one of the first machines that made me feel like I finally had a laptop that thought as fast as I do. If you're the sort of person who gets annoyed by sluggish windows, tab overload, app hangs, or feels like your machine slows you down instead of helping, take a moment to check the current price and stock right now before they shift. There was a point last year when I was trying to juggle spreadsheets, video calls, browser tabs, and creative tools on my old setup, and it was like wading through glue. That moment of realization hit me hard. I knew it was time to upgrade. And the relief when I switched to this was instant. No more waiting. No more freezing. Just confidence every time I opened a project. Once you've lived with a responsive system that doesn't hesitate, those little frustrations start to feel unacceptable. Working, creating, even scrolling feels sharp and immediate. The touchscreen isn't a gimmick either. It adds a level of control and flow that makes navigating work and creative apps genuinely satisfying. Imagine drafting emails while referencing documents side by side without lag. Picture being halfway through an intense video call while editing slides and keeping tabs responsive. Even binge sessions feel smooth because everything reacts the moment you touch it or click it. This isn't just about specs on paper, it's about how it feels to work without compromise. You sense the speed. You appreciate the fluidity. Once you've felt this level of performance, it's natural to resent anything weaker, and that's exactly why you keep returning to this as the benchmark. And if you're hesitating because you're not sure you need all this, here's a little twist. The extra memory and power don't just serve today's tasks, they keep you ahead of what's coming next year. That's a kind of future-proof comfort most people forget to factor in. When you open this laptop every morning, you feel different. You feel ready. You feel like someone who doesn't settle. You feel like someone who chose something built to last. More confident multitasking and demanding workflows, more fluid responsiveness in creative apps, larger screen clarity during long sessions, touch interaction that feels intuitive, performance that stays reliable longer. It's not the lightest laptop in the world. Premium features come with a premium price, and here's the truth. At some point you stop comparing options on a spreadsheet and just choose the thing you quietly kept circling back to. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you look back on and wish you hadn't put off. If you're ready to work faster, feel capable, and enjoy every click and touch, check the HP 2026 17-inch laptop while it's still in stock and priced right. This is the upgrade that actually changes your day from the moment you open the lid.